Hi everyone, my name is Matt Milner and welcome to my course, Microsoft Azure, The Big Picture. I'm an independent software developer and trainer focused on web, mobile, and cloud development. In this course, we're going to gain a high-level understanding of the more than 50 services offered in Microsoft Azure. Some of the major topics that we'll cover will include options for running your application code in Azure, leveraging the scale and breadth of the Azure data centers to build global applications, cloud data storage and processing, messaging, integration, and workflow solutions in Azure. By the end of this course, you'll know the fundamental services in Azure and have a start at understanding how to put them together to build a solution. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic software development concepts. And from here, you should feel comfortable diving into Microsoft Azure with courses on Azure Compute topics, such as virtual machines, app services, and containers, Azure DevOps to manage the software development lifecycle, Azure Data Solutions and machine learning. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Azure with the Microsoft Azure The Big Picture course at Pluralsight.